Within Msty Claw, just like all of our Msty AI products, we really try to create stuff with your privacy in mind, where your data is your data. Really, as much as possible, we want you to have control over your data. And in this video, what I want to showcase is not the data protection, not with that intro I just gave, but rather web search. So in settings, managed services, web search, what this service will do is create your very own web search engine that is hosted locally on your device within a container. Meaning there is a constraint where you do need Docker to be set up on your device in order for this to work. And let's go ahead and do that. I do have Docker installed, so I just need to really start that engine and then restart Msty Claw. Okay, I just restarted Msty Claw. Now I'm going to go back to settings, managed services, and then scroll down. And now we see that this web search is enabled. And I'm going to go ahead and uninstall this actually, so we can see the screen that we're just on. And it still detects that Docker is available because we don't see that message that we saw before. And for me on my device, I have this Docker desktop installed. If you really don't want to get into what Docker is, container is, all this different stuff, but you really just want to get this set up and rolling so that you can have your own search engine on your very own device, go and just download Docker Desktop. And then all you would need to do is have the Docker Desktop application running, and then Msty Claw will do the rest. So this is running right now. Let's go back to Msty Claw. Okay, make that a little bigger. And then click on Install for web search. And then click on Allow. If you have a Mac, it might ask you for that security question. And we see that it's updating, it's installing this web search capability. What it's doing is it's downloading SearXNG, or SearXNG, however you want to pronounce that name, which is a open source web search engine that you can install locally on your own device, or you could even install it on the server as well. What this is doing is it's carving out a container within your Docker container system, and it's pulling down the information to install this product and do other configurations, and then basically getting it up and running so you have your very own search engine. And that is exactly what happened right here. And I'm going to click on Start to make sure this is running. All right, now we have our web search running. And let's expand, look at some details, which gives you some additional information here. But let's use this in conjunction with one of our agents. Okay, I'm going to go to my workshop. And for Dottie, I'm going to start a new conversation. And then how about we search for something? Let's search for interesting facts about Idaho. Okay, and it found some interesting information about Idaho and also shows me the sources. And then let's ensure that it used the search tool. We'll go back into settings, managed services, just to show that this was working. I have web search enabled right now, so I'm going to stop it. So really the only way that you could do the web searches is if you install this service, which is going to be a little more secure, more protected because it's running locally on your device. Or another thing you could do is add in a search tool, either by adding a Gina AI key right here for web search, which will enable this feature, or you could add in a tool such as Brave Search or I think DuckDuckGo Search. You could add those as tools. I'm just showing that I don't have any installed. The only thing I had was that service for that local search engine that I created. So I'm going to go back real quick and let's just create a new conversation again with Dottie. And then how about we search for the same thing? Search for interesting facts about Idaho. Okay, and we'll kick that off. All right, and then what I got back here is web search is installed but stopped. And then it tells me where to go where I could re-enable it. So because I didn't have it enabled, I received no search results. And again, I really just wanted to highlight this as a service that is provided to keep your web searches secured and in your control. So this web search is happening on your local device within that container, and it's not going out to the web to do the searches, but it's all happening on your device.